Today I'm going to film a Cajun chicken meal prep. Cajun chicken salad meal prep with all those ingredients. Stay tuned if you'd like to see how it's done and how I cook them up. Also, hang around to the end for a nutritional freebie. So hopefully you can see that okay. I'm going to make up 3 days worth. I normally make up 6, but I'm going away, so I only need 3 days worth. I'll probably be away by the time this video comes out. So you just want to cut up your chicken. I'll be going for 125 grams each day. That's about 30 grams of protein, which is plenty. This is my mid-morning meal, so in between breakfast and lunch is when I normally have this. It's going to be a Indian spiced chicken salad. I think I said it was going to be a Cajun chicken salad in the introduction, but it don't matter. So, cut up the chicken, stick the pan on to heat actually. I'll put a nice high heat. Sitting at 266, just getting rid of all the fat from the chicken and stuff you don't want. Just takes a bit of time to cut this up here. Getting there, getting there. There we go, so 386, that's pretty close enough for where I want to get. So next thing is to add all the seasonings, but I'll wash my hands and come back. See, that's all the chicken diced up. So now you want to add your seasonings, and you want to add these before you go into the pan, so you get them well coated first. Curry powder, garam masala. Got some garlic. Don't really measure it out, I just go by eyeball. This is a new one. So, open. And some onion powder. Turn that down a wee bit. Some paprika. And also some crushed chilies. Then all you do, scale to the side. Also want to spray the pan using that fry light spray. Great alternative for oil. Saves a lot of fat macros. And just mix that about. Get it very well coated evenly. And you want the pan reasonably high heat so that it chars the outside of the chicken. You get a good flavour from it as well. So then here we go. And I'll typically cook that for 5 to 6 minutes maybe. Hopefully you can see that. Just stirring it every so often and moving it around. And then I'll show you what I do with the salad as well. Just now while that's cooking, and it's like a 10-minute meal prep for 3 days. Ideal. Just keep moving the chicken about every minute or so for 5 to 6 minutes. Maybe a bit touch longer actually than that, to be honest. But again, just cut a bit in half to make sure it's fully cooked through and you'll be good to go. I'll show you what it looks like when it's finished up. So I'm just going to divide this salad bag into 3 separate containers. These mixed bags are brilliant, ideal. Just take the lid off the corn, drain. Also going to use some fat-free balsamic dressing. Perfect. The chicken's still cooking away in the background. Don't need to worry about it just now. So while that's doing that, I'm just going to get these ready. So half a can in each, and I'll save the other half can in the fridge. Just leave that for a stir fry or something like that. So that's 3 half cans. Lovely. I'm also going to add in some beetroot as well to each day. Sorted. That's that finished. So that's the makeup of the salads. All I need to do is cook up the chicken, add it in, and I've got 3 meal preps done for the week for my mid-morning meal. So the chicken's all cooked up. All you do now is weigh it out. So I'm going to sit that there to weigh it out. Shit, forgot to reset the scale first. So stick it on this plate and reset the scale. Then just portion it evenly. So that's sitting at 275 grams, so that's just 90 in each. So that's down to, here's 187, that's close enough. And let's see, 105, 99, 90. And the final bit goes into, yeah, that's 3 meal preps. So, as you see, that was like a 10-minute meal prep for 3 meals. Done no bother at all. So if you, I also mentioned a freebie, so if you would like to receive my free muscle building nutritional document, 15-page document, just drop a comment below. Also, what recipes would you like, other recipes would you like to see? Like, comment and subscribe underneath as well. See you in the next one.